Hello from Cherries! This minute is the time to learn Roughen Effect in Illustrator. Here we have typed two M's in different colors. We select them both and blend them using Ctrl+Alt+B on the keyboard or by going to Object menu and select Blend and Make. Now, from the tools, double-click on the blend and from the spacing drop-down menu, select Specified Steps and set its value to 10. Now, open the Effect menu and select Distort and Transform. From the sub-menu, select Roughen. Now, increase the detail value to 100 and set the size to 7%. Great! You can see how fuzzy it looks. We can also change the color of our design if we want. Perfect! We showed how to use Roughen Effect. Hope you liked this 1-minute technique in Illustrator.